Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. I warmly welcome you to this course and we will have much fun together and we will earn many knowledge and skills together. So the first thing is to tell you about HTML. HTML is a markup language. It isn't a programming language but is a markup language which is used with tags and elements. It is the standard language for creating web pages, which makes it essential for web page designing and websites. The most important thing is that it is easy to learn, but to master is really difficult. After that, I will tell you about that HTML needs an interpreter or compiler to compile it, because all languages need it. But the pros of HTML also include that its interpreter, it's the browser itself. So that's mean that this Google Chrome is the interpreter of the HTML code. So it means that we don't need any interpreter or compiler for HTML, which also means that simple text editors such as Notepad could be used for HTML coding. For example, I am gonna show you an example. I will search the Notepad. Now I will write a simple HTML code. Don't be skeptical about what I am writing. Just see that could we find a result from the code. I am writing a simple code which will display the text of hello world. Okay, hello world goes in. Now I would like to save the file so that I could run it. I will save it on the desktop for convenience. Okay, I have saved it, and you could see that there is an Google Chrome logo on this main file. So that means that it could open in the Google Chrome. We'll click it and see our text is displayed, which means that the Google Chrome is the interpreter itself. But I would like to say that in Notepad is a good text editor, but we still need better text editor than it. So because of convenience, you could see here that in Notepad we have to write every tags ourselves without any error while typing or without any typing itself. So the text editor I think the most commonly used for the HTML coding is brackets, and I like it personally myself and I have used it very much. So go to the brackets.io website, and here we will download the brackets text editor. It is used for HTML coding very often. So download brackets 1.14 and it is start downloading. Now you would have to wait for it. Mine brackets is downloaded and I have gone to downloads to find it. Now we will click on it, double click and wait. You could install it wherever you like, and you need to click these both ticks. I will put next, install. Now it's installing. Brackets is a very good editor. It allows you flexibly control over your HTML code. Through its color editing, seeing the elements is very easy. So coding HTML on brackets is very easy, so I have recommended it for you. If you don't want to install brackets, you can still work on Notepad or any other text editor you like on Mac or PC. It's installing. I will finish it, and I will go here, search brackets. Look, it is in the start. Now click it. I will open a file new, save it on the desktop and name it main, or index is a better name for saving HTML files. Notice that after index, the file name, I type in .html. This .html is the extension of the file. This shows the computer that this file is an HTML one, so please access it as a web development file and send it to the browser, any default browser. My default browser at the time is Google Chrome, so this means that it will be run by Google Chrome. So I will index.html and save it. Now you could see that if I type in any code, you can see that I at first save this in the Notepad, and you could see that Notepad is behaving like this. Now I will try to write the same code in brackets, and you could see that right away it shows us the best options for what we are typing in. So I will type in HTML. Look, it has showed us HTML beforehand. So if I click enter in between of typing, it will complete our sentence itself. And it will provide the ending tag itself. Don't be skeptical about what I am typing right now. Just see that how much useful is brackets. So it is good installing it. I will type in the body tags. Look, I have to type in the body tags, both tags, but here the brackets has done it for me. I will type in the h1 tags and hello world. Now, another advantage of brackets is that every time when running code on Notepad, we have to go to the source file of the Notepad, that is this main file, and then run it from there. But in brackets, we could run it directly from the brackets by clicking this live preview button. As we click it, this will itself run it on the default browser, and our result is printed here. So I hope that you like this video and you will understand the advantages of brackets. So please install it, and I will show you some HTML coding in the next video. See you later.